Greetings ladies and gents, Ilzy from HeathenScent here. Welcome to my channel. Now today we've got something a little bit different. So basically I actually bought a couple of months ago a fragrance from the store LKNU from Melbourne, and that was the Maison Sybarite 720, which I actually did a first impressions on, and I'll leave a link up in the corner over here, the nice little card, so you can go back to if you want to check that out. But anyway, so basically with that delivery, they actually gave me 7 samples of one house I've never heard of before, and it was actually called Criminal Elements. Now, they are a indie slash niche house from Adelaide, I believe. Yeah, it was Adelaide. And normally you get from LKNU a sort of like 6 times, like, you know, 2 ml decants of Criminal Elements fragrances, which actually comes as a discovery set for like $60, and they gave me 7 of these for, well, for free. So I mean, I've been sitting on these for a couple of months, and I thought, I mean, I definitely want to sort of try these out, but I really sort of wanted to wait to actually do a video on these and see what this is all about. I mean, I don't know the fragrance notes of them, so basically what I'm going to do when I give them all a smell, I'm going to put the notes up on the screen at the bottom somewhere here, and we'll go from there. So basically what I'll do is I'll read the blurb for the website, the about part. So here we go. So, after finishing a chemistry degree in 2011, Corey, frustrated with modern life, grew his hair long, moved into a bus, and drove to Victoria to live a life off the land in a tiny rural town in the middle of nowhere called Beulah. He collected rainwater to drink, grew pumpkins, and did gardening for the locals in exchange for building materials and a bunch of doors. After he'd collected enough doors and got sick of pumpkin, he created Criminal Elements, aptly named as a tongue-in-cheek dig at the townsfolk who for quite some time thought he was cooking meth in a bus like that guy from Breaking Bad. I guess I can see that coming. Anyway, since then, Corey has moved to his old stomping ground in Adelaide, South Australia, where he continues to push boundaries and challenge the status quo, and to create some weird and wonderful fragrances for his friends around the world to enjoy. Okay, so weird and wonderful. This should be really interesting. So, okay, got these all in front of me, and I've got my lovely little, you know, ghetto strips, I guess you could call them, you know, lovely little post-its so I can smell the fragrances. So let's start off with the first one, and the first one is called Hearth. At least I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, as I said, I have no idea of the notes. The notes are going to be down below or above, wherever they're going to be. Let's have a spray and we'll go from there. All right. Let's see what this one's all about. Oof, 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 oof. I already smell like crazy now. Ooh, okay. Getting something spicy out of this. Something. Wow. This is different. Spicy, leathery. Maybe some saffron in there. It's different. Wow. Kind of. Whoa. This is like a dry, leathery type of fragrance. It's like, it's very dense. Oh, kind of like this in a weird way. Hearth, okay. Wow, all right. Let's move on to the next one. So next one we have got is called Sylphide. Okay, this is some interesting names over here, definitely. Where's that spray out? All right. Okay, let's see what this one's all about then. Before I go on, basically these are all EDP concentrations. I think only one of them is extrait de parfum. I don't remember which one it is, but anyway, let's keep on smelling. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. I'm getting something kind of, I don't know, like maybe a benzoin in there, something slightly thick, maybe like syrupy, kind of honey-like. getting something like it's like there's like a little bit of like a fruit in there almost, but it's like very deep. Wow. Interesting once again. So this one is going to be called Fall. So I'm guessing possibly something to do with fall or winter. I mean, what am I saying? Winter. Autumn. Okay. Spray this. Got some on my hands, of course. Okay, what have we got over here? What have we got? Ooh. Oh. Getting something deep over here. Something like burnt leaves or something like that. Like that sort of feel like a fall, autumn type of thing going on there. Birch tarry. Wow. This is very unique. All these have been unique so far. I'm loving this. In a weird way. Like I really can't sort of... It's hard to really detect the notes. This has been like, these ones have been very well blended. Okay, this one is called Muse. So, let's see what we got going on over here. Bit of a lighter juice compared to some of the other ones. So, okay. See how it is. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Oh, so I'm getting like a mossy greenness to this. Kind of citrusy at the top, almost like a lemon, maybe a bergamot, if I could be wrong, obviously. Ooh, this one's green, light. Oh, just... maybe geranium in there or something like that. I don't know. Vetiver possibly. I could be very wrong though. I mean, obviously it's going to smell different on the strip than it is going to be on your skin. So, I mean, I'm not even going to try to smell on my fingers. Like, probably got like 4 different fragrances literally on my fingers right now. So, sounds like it smells like a mixture of everything. Okay, this has some sort of like classic sort of feel to it. Like, I guess you could say almost like Issey Miyake in a way, how like his fragrances are very sort of nature inspired, but it's a little bit different in a way. It's, I guess, like from, at least from what I remember from smelling a number of these types of fragrances, at least it kind of got this feel towards like Frederic Malle, that style of fragrance, but fresher. Very interesting. Now on to the next one, and this one is called Pyrus. A little bit of a darker juice right there. My hands are going to be covered in ridiculous amounts of fragrance after this. Seriously. Ooh, okay, I can already smell something very interesting over here. Okay. Maybe a little bit of fig in there. Something almost like mango-y, fig-like. I could be thrown off completely. I really don't know. I'm just getting like nuances of it here and there. Slightly musky. Woodsy as well. Smoky. As I said, honestly, these are like blended so well. I'm getting some interesting feels from all these fragrances so far. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued. Okay, next one we've got is called Reuben. Reuben, okay. Interesting name. Harkens back to the good old Reuben sandwich. Something I do love. I'm guessing it's not going to be like a Reuben sandwich, but let's move on with it. Jeez, my nail is soaked. Look at that. It's got some sharpness to it, like a sharp sort of note in there, like maybe like a plum or something. But but then it's also got like maybe like a sort of saffron-y type of smell in there. A little bit of spiciness. Interesting. As I said again, pushing boundaries, and you can definitely smell that. That's one I have to come back to because that one's actually, I'm stumped. And on to, last but not least, I saved this one for the last one just because of the name alone is very, very intriguing. Very intriguing. Tobacco jam. I love tobacco and jam. Yeah. Okay. I'm very excited and also worried at the same time. Tobacco jam? What the hell are you gonna get from this? Oh, okay. Oh, yep, okay. I'm getting something jammy in there for sure. It's like a... Okay, you get that, definitely get that tobacco, that real hay smelling tobacco with quite a bit of earthiness. But there's something like jammy, as the name says. It's sort of like almost like a plum jam mixed in with like tobacco going on there. It's like earthy, sweet, hay-like. That hay smell is pretty prominent too, but it's, I don't know, it doesn't smell bad. It's actually quite nice. And it's got that real sort of classic, sort of almost gentleman-like smell to it. I'm sort of getting a little bit of a feel of Bulgari Men in Black, a little bit, the tiniest amount. I don't know what it is. It's almost like it's got a little bit of a feel to that without the booziness in there. That little blurb from the website is actually kind of explains like everything I've got in front of me very, very well in terms of the eccentricities of this, you know, pushing those boundaries. This is actually quite, this whole selection is quite nice. Wow, I'm loving it. So, this has been my first impressions of Criminal Elements. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for Criminal Elements website if you want to check out any of the fragrances. And please hit that like button. And if you like what you see and what you hear, and if you want to see a review of any of these fragrances that I've just smelt today, please leave a comment down below if you smell any of the fragrances before as well. And please hit that subscribe button. I'm almost at 200 subscribers. I'm getting very excited. I can't wait to get to that number. And if you like to see more fragrant videos like this and more men's grooming videos, please hit that notification bell for more of them to come straight to your feed. I hope you're all doing well. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video.